Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to clean contacts for your headphones Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. To clean the contacts we will need a brush like this, turn the headphones over and use the brush like I did. Okay, do the same with the second earphone. Now let's move to the charging case. Cover the brush with a cloth and make circular moves. And here we go, it's so clean. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!